Oh, hey, Roy. By the way you're sitting, it looks like you need to add someone to your small group.
I do.
Figure it out.
I do, and I don't know how to use this stinking app. All right, I'm Roy, and this is my finger, and I really don't know what I'm doing here.
And I'm Justin. I don't know much, but I do know more than Roy.
Well, thanks for that, Justin. Okay, so what do? I want to add a member to my group.
Well, first we want to open the lead.
All right, there we go. Find my group, right? I know that. There's my group. Okay, so which one?
Members.
Members, okay.
So it says you have 20 members there. That's what that number is beside.
All right,
And
okay.
there are all of your members.
Okay.
So to add a member, there is the plus sign in the top right corner.
Okay, I'm pushing that. And let's say I want to add you. Okay.
Seems appropriate.
Yeah, you're a long way from the empty nest, though, aren't you?
Let's hope so.
All right. I don't even know what that means. Let's hope so. All right, there you are. Okay. So, and what do I do next?
Nothing. I'm added.
Really?
I'm done.
Yay! Okay, so I was listening the first time, so now I'm gonna press my app there, open it up, open up my group, and what do I do to take attendance?
You click the attendance tab. It has a notification bar.
Yeah, all right, I did that. And
Click the
now,
most recent group.
okay, did that. Now what?
Now the names will pop up, and you select who is there.
Well, everybody comes to my group all the time, so I'm just gonna select all. Well, actually, Terry and Nancy down here, they live in Michigan, so they only come during the winter. All right, so I selected everybody that came. Now what do I do?
Now you had some people show up in your group that are not on your list, and you can add them by putting a number under visitors.
Oh, okay. We had 82 people.
Oh, that is
Yeah,
impressive.
it was a real party. Okay, what's next?
Okay, so you just click next.
Oh, that's what's next. All right. All right, so now what?
You have a couple of options. You can add notes. to
Okay,
the
I'll do
evening.
that. There were like a lot of people there, so I'm just going and
What a great night.
exclamation point. All right, so
click add.
okay, what else?
Now, maybe there was a prayer request.
Okay,
You
all
guys
right.
prayed for help.
Several people, yes, said help. I'm going to add an exclamation mark there too. Okay, all right.
Add.
What next?
Now you have an option to email the summary to the leaders of the group, to everyone, or to no one.
Nobody wants to see this. All right, no one.
Understand.
What's next?
Now you save it,
Save. Oh, it's saved.
and attendance is taken.
Little evangelical pastor joke. It was saved. There's also a way to take your attendance by using an email. And so Justin's going to do this. And he's got the email there. So hit the email. And yeah, hit that green button because you met. Or do not meet if you didn't meet. But of course you guys meet. You're very consistent as a group. And then you wait. And then what do you do next?
Oh, there's my notification for the lead up.
Yeah, you should download that. I can't believe you didn't download that. You call yourself a leader? Good grief.
So we all showed up.
Okay.
So I'm gonna click select all.
Yeah.
And, except for my wife Jessica, she didn't show up. She was watching the kids, I guess.
Okay. All right. I noticed in our little fantasy groups, all of our people show up just about. That's nice.
I'm gonna click next.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't have as many visitors as you.
Okay.
I only had 80.
80. Okay. Well, I'm sorry about that.
95 people.
Wow, that's quite a small group.
So I guess I can also add notes and prayer requests here as well, right?
Yeah, let's not do that. Just finish. All right.
Number one, send.
Are we done?
We're done.
All right.
I could be wrong now, but I don't think so, 'cause there's a jungle out there. There's a jungle out there.